Get off the sidelines and take control of your financial future at www.tackletrading.com. Get in the game.
Okay, Sudhir's mentioning volume, so let's talk about volume for a second. Let me pull open a chart that's a little bit easier to analyze volume on. Okay. Let's look at SPY first. Okay. Would you say it's low volume over the last 5 candles? Well, I mean, you can't say this candle was low volume because that was high volume for sure. What about the last 4? Are the last 4 trading sessions low volume? The answer is relative to what? Right? Are the last 4 days low volume relative to the volume on the downturn? Yes, right? But what do you think? We're going to get bigger volume on the up move, right? Does that ever happen where you crash and then when the market recovers, you see more volume on the recovery than you saw on the crash? I mean, would that ever really happen? The answer is no. So if you're comparing the volume on this bounce to the volume on the downturn, it's always lower volume. It's always lower volume. Go look at every other crash we've seen. Okay. This one doesn't count because it was the election. But, you know, here, massive crash, big volume. We bounce back, and then the volume goes back to normal. Okay. Right here, big crash, big volume. We bounce, volume goes back to normal. It always does that, okay? So don't be too quick to scoff at this rally because the volume is returning to normal. If you take out the high volume on the downturn and you compare the last 4 days to the previous couple of months, it's par for the course, okay? So I don't, I would not read into this volume here and say it's low, okay? You always see volume return to normal when we finally recover. Okay. Michael, so I mean, I guess the fact that the previous few months were low volume, I mean, did that stop the market from going higher? The argument that low volume plus rising prices equals I'm skeptical, I don't like that argument. I don't think it's legit. Because I mean, I've seen people say that every year since 2009. We're rising, but it's low volume. Who cares? Really, it's just the absence. As long as I have an absence of high volume down days, good enough. Okay, it's you know, you're not going to get high volume every time the market goes up a day, right? I would look at this as kind of a return to normalcy as opposed to, hey, nobody's buying and this is built on a house of cards, okay? Because at some point you got to swing back, right? At some point you got to swing back. So, anyways, the bottom line is volume doesn't tell me anything that I'm concerned about right now. Okay. Yeah, Michael, that might be it. I may not have read what you said perfectly there, but okay, we're on the same page. Anyways, so I'm interested to see if that was it or if we get another downturn. I would prefer to see another down move myself, but obviously anybody who got beat up during this downturn is very, very, very happy that we've recovered so swiftly, right?